think I need a hat too.
You need one?
Yeah.
Alright.
All right.
But don't do you guys a hat?
I don't know. What can I choose from? What are my options?
Just this one or this one?
Oh.
This one is green and this one is yellow.
Okay.
Which one? Green or yellow?
Yellow.
Okay. Use yellow. Yellow, it's fruity. Now, here is yellow. Here is a yellow hat for Daddy. Do you know where a green? Do you know where a yellow hat is?
I don't.
Can you help me find it for you?
Sure.
Okay, I already have one now.
I see that.
Can you help me find one for you?
Yeah, I'm looking. I see a white hat
Right up?
Yep. on the chair right there. Your baseball hat.